Delicious and nutritious snack ideas. Under 100 calories. Perfect for healthy snacking. Edamame. Healthy snack. Under 100 calories. Yuan Ding 3. Yutwo. 6094 cal. For 13.5 cup. High in plant protein and fiber. Steamed edamame in a bowl. Fresh and green. Steam rising. Looking for a high protein, plant-based snack under 100 calories? Hand sprinkling sea salt or chili flakes on the edamame. Try edamame, just 60 to 94 calories for half a cup. Close-up of edamame being popped out of the pod. High in plant protein. Loaded with fiber yunj. Rich in iron, folate, magnesium. It's a mini nutrient bomb, keeps you full, supports energy, and tastes amazing. Steam it, salt it, snack it simple, warm, and satisfying. Snack smarter. Follow for more healthy snacks under 100 calories. Follow for more easy low-cal snack ideas.